North London.
Yeah, from D-Rock Design.
D-Rock Design.
From North London.
D-Rock Design from North London. Yeah, I'm blessed. No help and love, you know.
$4,000.
See me?
4,000 there for you.
Dumpling. Why do you meet dumpling? Last time I did it, you're going to go dumpling again. Or it works dumpling.
Much man, I appreciate it as much.
Yeah, $4,000 a year from Lucky Star.
Yeah man, Lucky Star.
From New
You know what I
York.
say? Yeah man, give thanks and praise.
Hey Eder, I want to kiss your foot bottom, I say girl. Remember, I tell you. So Eder, I thank you so much. Yeah, Eder, I know you love colors, you know. I have to ask.
So this is 7,500 here, mommy, from Nicole from Florida.
Thank you, Nicole
from Florida. Thank you
so much.
Me don't know what them a pre about. I keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. You know, tonight is night market night, and so we also have you know, the same guests that's from the UK will visit Cranberry. Also want me to take them to night market to get some of Yaya products, you know. And also we have another subscriber that's also here as well too. That's here to see Yaya to get some product as well too. You know, because the healthy stuff is working, guys, you know, so people coming in, you know, from all walks of life, you know, just to get the products, you know, for the skin. Yeah, so you know the thing goes, guys, so you have to come along, you know, this is the night market night. Yeah, so you know the thing goes already. Yeah. You just reach? Oh, Jaja. Yeah, we'll keep on.
You just call Kino.
You call me?
I call you to and talk to you what day, man. I tell me say busy.
Oh.
Ask about this one.
Yeah.
I see I buy some things for him.
Yeah.
Someone give him a try, you know?
Jaja. The right thing you do, man. Can't go wrong. Naval 2 guests are come as well too, so they come check you.
See,
and a lady supposed to be here as well too, so she'll come. Yeah. So we have 2 more persons come see as well, so they're flying for the production.
Jaja. I say, Bridget,
yeah.
we have to help, you know, we have to help each other and, you know, edify the people and let them know what time it is, because it's serious. It's serious.
It's serious,
it
man.
serious
Trust
time,
me. That is it.
You know, the simple thing with the doctor them supposed to
really serious. Alright, guys, so you see, we are first here, who's also a viewer of the program here with Yaya. And also I got 2 of the guests them coming, and also there's a female who also should be here now. You know, should be here. So once you go inside now, then we can just see what I go on, you know. So guys, I'm saying Yaya contact number will always be there, so you can also contact him, you know, for anything you want, get any information, you know, if you have any health issue, anything at all, you just contact him, you know. Just contact him.
So what you have to do to these cells? You have to find ways to reprogram these cells. So you have new cells coming in, you know, and they're picking up the bad habits. So you have to find a way to reprogram themselves. Nature has that.
I think she's here, you know. Is this hello?
Nature has that. So that's how we have to do, Bridget. So
yeah, just reach. I'm literally outside.
I tell people this: I'm not selling products.
Huh?
See, I promote a lifestyle.
Earth and money.
Same, so.
Okay,
inside,
okay. She yeah, she inside, you know.
She inside.
Yeah, she by the Empress now.
Alright, cool.
Alright, we'll come in a minute. Aye.
Take on the road, actually, you never answer.
Yeah, see them on here.
Yes,
Yeah.
Great things, alright.
Oh, man.
I love you.
I know what ever reach inside it. Evening.
That's the wife, you know.
Yes, wife. Cool. Alright, cool. Alright, you want me?
Yeah, bless.
Alright then. Yeah?
Where is that for you?
You might be right? Black seed, right?
I want that small dose, want a dose. Like a 100 ml or something like that.
How much you want? One then.
Alright, may I have this?
That's the black seed,
That's the
yeah?
black seed.
This is about 50 ml. This is about 50 ml.
That is about that.
Yes.
Yeah, that is about that. And I drop it, sir, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need Alex. I'm more drop.
I have one. I think I only have one left.
One left.
Yeah, come to the other. Me have what? Unless you, me can get me take about couple drop out of mine. I can get it at a discount price.
Yeah, man, give it up.
That's good. I'll fire him off and go back in and if I can't go back into the UK now.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
And I want more black seed.
Which day you reach to? Right. No, treat it double tonight. It's not here. Sun's Cafe.
Kush.
So far.
One kilo badness.
May I put on the mirror and come back?
What do you mean? That is it. 1 kilo badness.
And I get some of my chili folks here as well.
Yes,
Okay, so you're your team big.
Yeah, big team. Hello. Yes.
You have people waiting on you from how long? So you know you're a celebrity, you know. Wait, let me share this here.
Oh, man, I'm so sorry.
All of them waiting for you. Alright, let me take this. So what? Hold on, please. Wait here, take your time.
That's it, patience.
Hello. Of course. No, man, I'm a slippers. I'm the on it. Hey, finally. Say hello.
Sorry.
I'm not talking, man. The slippers have the inches.
Me and them said, I see you talk, but me really I see it for myself. Boy.
Come here, yeah, the pan almost same eyes.
We can't do without you on YouTube now.
Sure.
And since I came, I can't get, because you know, me at home.
Yeah,
on the road, and I have, you know,
And I
some,
watch you all going.
yeah. But hopefully I go and catch up back. I'll be here until next week.
Okay. So
Yeah, mountain. But
this is for Cranberry.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, $20,000. And for the, you know, and
So it's from Miss Davis.
yes, Mrs. Davis, yeah. Let's
From
say that.
was that Florida?
Yeah, Florida.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cranberry.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Nana is like me, seeing me.
Nana.
Nana is seeing me. Every time I say, my God, I saw me, they look at me a little bit, you know.
Nana.
Yeah, the body, yes, there's something about her.
Yes,
But
Nana.
I love I love all of them.
Yeah.
And I love the work.
Yeah, it's a blessing, man. You know, it's a blessing.
God bless you, man. The day you found those kids, that family.
The Almighty.
Was it the divine? Yeah, it was a divine. Yeah.
Meant to happen, you know.
Yes.
It's meant to. And finally now, yeah.
And then
Come
I see
get
you talking
products.
to Yana. I take my phone on the television. Click.
Yeah.
I said, I have to put this number in my phone. So I'm planning to come. That's it. Yeah. So I'm coming to Jamaica. And I have to find this place. So I call y'all.
Tell her, say, he's not gonna be here.
Yeah.
That I made it.
I'm glad I could have made it, you know.
And I have personal having something.
Hey, dog.
I'm here. Oh gosh, I'm Irish.
Good. Yes. Hi, how are you? Wonderful. You're doing some recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will get the result because I left on Saturday.
Hello, big up. In person.
Yes.
Thank you. I look the same in person.
You look same way. For the last time I saw you at the hardware store.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, which hardware store is it? Which one?
One down hardware store Hardware Park.
Oh yes. I remember one.
I'm in love Mrs. Cranberry so much.
Why everybody talk about Cranberry?
Yes. I'm in love our father who is so diligently doing the work.
Yes, true.
Yeah, man. You go start for no side of diabetic. Can't get the treatment as it goes here.
Yeah, because but I'm tired.
I know him. That's him. I've changed that.
And that now come with financial problems.
Exactly.
Too, you know.
Exactly.
Financial problem because I had to tell me to tell him and everything, but I just got the problem.
And that for most people when they say them indulge in a certain type of eating, it's all about finance because we don't know for eating as healthy as you are eating.
Yeah, true.
It comes along with a cost.
Of course, and it's not cheap.
Not cheap.
You know, and then now it's easier for them to can say, no, I'm going to buy a pound of rice and buy that.
And how many children, okay?
Four of
and you
them.
have to feed them, plus your woman and your picnic and yourself. So it's not easy thing.
And it's not easy at all. It's not easy
And
at
which
all.
part of them, so even say them put a garden together. It's a hard thing.
Because I don't really have a space as well. Too.
No.
See my plant some banana and everything. But that's all I could have really do.
And banana can plant it up here. I'm planting.
Yeah.
You know, but for vegetables and stuff.
I'm going to need a different space for that.
Yes. Yeah, man. But bless up, love the work. We can't just not too long when I open my phone. I'm keen on the pan.
I go see them. Because them come visit Cranberry. I see them when you watch it.
Yes, I did see that.
Okay.
Yes, I'm telling you, that's all that was on the phone. When I just turned on my phone, she said, oh, Kino, you're on Kino. Yeah, man, it's so good to see you.
Yeah, man.
So keep up the good work.
I will.
All the way.
Yeah,
You know,
thank you so much
pray
for
there with
watching.
you all the way.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Love and love and love.
I really.
Love and love, man. So guys, you know me as Sun Stuff as usual, you know things was already, so I'm gonna get one of those wraps. The wraps is also wonderful as well too. To have the wrap is so nice as well too, with all the vegetable, everything inside it, you know. It's gonna show you what and what you're gonna put inside the wrap. So what and what you put inside the wrap?
So we have
Premium.
chickpea, pineapple, seed,
So it's a chickpea pineapple.
tough.
Yeah.
Black bean stewed coconut sauce. See, you have pumpkin rice, brown rice, pumpkin bulgur. See, and some curry lentil.
Alright.
See, yeah.
We have wheat.
Yeah, man, some great ackee pasta, you know.
Alright, they're looking good, looking good. Come like, I never have more than one in my pen.
You don't need more than one. At least all the milk, you know. You know the belly to me.
Don't it? Oh yeah, well, I don't forget rid of the belly if it get too big. That is it. That is it. You don't need a fork.
Forget one of them something.
One of these for the camera.
The salad.
Oh, it's on the healthy thing. Like I am.
Really? And I had a drink, so I'm good for the night.
See? Our mouth is going to run water. Watch your mouth is going to run water now.
No, it's not. I know the control.
The guy, this is Tenny. Yeah, I was going to get the shots them from.
Yes.
She's the founder of the Island Shots, right?
Yeah, I'm the head cook and boss of.
This is where you get all these good shots them, you know?
The good stuff.
Good
That's why
stuff
belly
them.
stuff flat.
Hey! Oh. Black out.
So that looks like it really tastes good.
Tell them what kind of shots you sell.
Okay, so I sell several different combinations. I have the gold shot, which is a combination of turmeric, ginger, cayenne pepper, honey, and lemon. I also have the hot shot, which is ginger, cayenne pepper, flaxseed oil, honey, pineapple. We have a beetroot shot, which is beetroot, apple, and apple cider with lemon and ginger. And it's a whole host. Call us 892-0678, and remember it's 876. If it's not 876, then it could have been nowhere else.
Word. See there? And this? Wonderful.
How much is that?
You should try. Hot.
I should try it.
It's so nice.
I can't pick up my teeth and camera.
Oh, we have been braces.
Thank
See? Rich people, them, you know.
Oh. No, it's fun.
Let's go start.
At Sun Cafe.
Yes.
One gotcha. In a night market.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yes, man. There are one little country, you know.
Yeah, man, give thanks for life. No life for the greatest thing.
Cool, no? Any new singles out? Any new singles out? Let them know, no?
The new singles are you, them call them fuck up rasta and pinchers and popcorn and iron eye.
Yeah.
See? I mean, a nice thing, give me a round head.
Yeah.
I have one by myself. So just keep your ears up.
Yeah.
Now when your ears active,
yeah.
You are going and just connect yourself to the universe.
So that means I want me to catch up on Instagram, see you, man.
Just type in, man, need to catch up for everything.
Everything.
On TikTok.
Living legend,
live.
You know.
No, every man you watch my TikTok live, you know.
Yeah, of course.
Follow me TikTok live, we exercise for nothing named Hilltop Fitness.
Yeah, internet.
Yeah.
I need to pass through back again, you know.
Remember you cut the forward.
Yeah, I need to forward again, serious, definitely.
Yeah, man,
for sure.
Connect you.
Alright, then cool, no? Yeah. Grabber Belch, man, I see on my YouTube channel, you know, and so them want to try the Grabber Belch. You know.
Right, them want the Belch, most Belch, you see, because your heart and soul you must give to Jah. Spurn up, your heart and soul you must give to Jah. Watch this, your heart and soul, your heart and soul. Watch you know, it doesn't profit you nothing to gain this world and to lose your soul. It doesn't profit you nothing to gain this world and to lose your soul. Your heart and soul, your heart and soul, you must give to Jah. Give it to Jah right now. Give it to Jah. Yeah, man, so I the natural juice.
The natural juice.
Natural juice. I want to try that one, jackfruit and ginger passion.
We are trying jackfruit and
ginger with passion. I want to taste jackfruit.
Yeah. grab a belch. You know, whenever you drink something here, you have to belch. You know, if you don't belch, you need to go check to get the colon cleanse. You know, get everything out. Yes. Grab a belch. Right here, see there? After belch. How much is it?
600.
After belch. After belch. Yes, after belch. They said chocolate is here.
Yeah, man.
Again. Yeah. Well, this quick been missing in a long time. Long time. You're right, don't worry.
Oh, TikTok?
No, YouTube.
Oh, YouTube?
So good to have, but why there's none. Well, guys, everything goes another day. You know, last night was an LT1 Yaya. You know, today's the next LT1 here. You know, with Ivo Spice. You know, and a lot of you guys are always asked where is Ivo Spice located. A lot of people. But Ivo Spice is located at 131 Orange Street, which is 131 Orange Street, which is up. There's gonna be up downtown, but you can save Orange Street come all the way up. Yeah, so it's up on Orange Street, not down in the where the busy area is. You come up all the way up Orange Street. So it's on the left hand side coming up. You cannot miss it. You know, 131 Orange Street. You can also type it in on your Google. You know, and it will definitely lead you exactly right here. You know, because it's a location. Yeah.
You know what's this?
This is good.
Oh.
That is an axe thing.
They have a different name. It's chow chow. Chow chow.
But right there, it's Mexican. Let me tell you.
Yeah, it's a different name.
You're a big name.
You're a big name. Yeah, different name. That name they not used to.
Exactly, because that's our name, so now you can say chocho.
More of them hot chocolate there. But with the specials.
Yesterday, we was making new site, you know. Cook on them things, medicine I make yesterday. That's what I make money.
Okay.
That's my stand up in there yesterday. Well needed, you know.
Yeah, of course. Are the fitters? Yeah.
You don't get no chance that up. You can't take it up.
So So that cleanser is the fitters? Fitters, yeah. Yeah, man. I got one and a new one as well. Yeah. One and a new one as well.
And the new one hard, man. Now stay with me since I make it.
Pure energy.
Just a fly left me. So I walk left me like.
So I know the bad man. When I drink it, a pure energy give me. Yeah. No, stay.
No, stay there.
Not that alright.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Like people them are some retired.
Sealer. I need to drink some.
Yeah, learn a little bit more about everything. Hello, sir.
Hello. Right. One straight.
Them say wow, but away, and it's keen or live.
And we're here.
But today we have been chocolate and busy tea.
Same thing right here.
Right there.
Chocolate and busy tea.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, man.
How's
the one keen.
Yeah. Over there.
Over there.
See the guys I'm having mind chocolate and busy while straight is habit is.
Yeah, it's okay.
You know. I but there and the whole team is here.
Smallest set of team.
Yeah.
Say, nah, we coach. You see it? Nah, we see say, look up and come snatch it there. Deal with it.
You know, the thing goes regular as usual. Chocolate and busy. Straight round them straighter than an arrow.
Yeah, you see, I put the politics, I go for the table. Yeah, man, the one for the straight, man. I'm tell them, no lean, no curve, no bend.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but I tell you, you see all from here? Wow, the amount of people that are say them seeing me on the TV.
On the TV.
Live. That's what I said. Yeah, man, I'm big up the people in me, I hear me up on the road. See me, because I can't walk in peace. I'm a movie star. Yeah, I'm a celebrity. Yeah, man.
Movie star.
Yeah, man, I tell you, I'm walking on the road. People just stop me. I say, you me see I'm keen alive. I say, yeah, man. So the road's forward in.
Roll in. There.
Right. You see the body that
I have no
always pull up the body weight. If the hand can't pull the body weight, shell it. So the hand must always
usually have squeak with my hot chocolate, but I will have no squeak. None at all.
We have a cleanser too, you know. Now, if you get a muffin, like a crusher. You feel a bit as? You feel a bit as?
That's a big man, you feel everything. Everything, the man that drink the toe juice. And the toe juice doesn't smell like toe, you know. Like when I make it seems, you know. It does. I want to tell you the best one never drink.
And the doctor do it. Then I say, if you didn't know, all of you look out, spending what you gather. What's the doctor? I have a Benz already and a Beamer. Like you come to buy the G-Wagon. 2 years old and you must drive a Jeep. What's that the doctor them a do now? House big already. No, so I put a room on the back. Because I want to look like what happened for 5 years.
Yeah, man, all of them eat.
Raggedy. One raggedy. Them not here. So guys, so here's it. Hiker.
Say, your brother that? Yeah. So I say, I saw you did big. Like you? No. Never reach so far. Yeah, you never reach so far. Yeah, I say you never reach so far.
1 ton then 6 to 10 pounds.
Them want it, you know?
The juice we drink too. Yeah.
Yeah. The herbal lane.
Give him peace, I think I'm a smile.
How is it?
Very good, very good.
The best, right?
The best in the city.
Yeah. And you're having the polenta and breadfruit.
Yeah.
So guys, so you have a choice. You have half and half. You have one side polenta and the other side
right.
breadfruit.
Now I understood.
Yeah.
I just eat and I realize, right?
And that's a flavor.
And that's a flavor I own him. You
Then
see, I realize a polenta and breadfruit.
yeah, half an hour. So you get,
That's the burger hard, man. No, that's the breadfruit.
that's the
Next one is the
polenta.
polenta.
Yeah, so you can have half an half as well, guys. So I'm having the full breadfruit burger. You know, but you can also try the polenta or you can try half an half. Trust me, you won't go wrong. Look at that. Cannot go wrong, man. Sweet. Alright, guys, so here is the tambourine.
I don't want to identify the chicken
and the some people say thinking toe. Some say locust.
That one you know why I eat.
What's the next name? Locust?
Yeah, local, yeah.
Locust.
Yeah, man, locust, the tour.
Yeah, them say toe. Them don't say thinking
Yeah,
toe.
I locust.
The locust.
Next name for the tour.
Yeah. So most of you guys will know it by thinking toe. You know?
Yeah, people are backward.
And some say toe.
And I was telling them that the word itself.
I know them have a little
Yeah.
saying. Them have a saying.
The back of Jatoba.
Turn Jamaican from
Oh.
them say if you eat the fruit
Yeah.
One of the most
and it choke you.
Okay. Yeah.
Eat up shit.
Jatoba. Okay. So guys, you know about that? The back of the thinking toe tree called Jatoba. Jatoba.
So they've been imported from Brazil.
Okay.
It choke you.
See you learn every day.
Yeah.
Why this smell like toe?
People when we are youth,
You don't drink like toe.
was dumpy sour soup, you know. So when you hear dumpy, you know, you never want to walk down that drink. Yeah, walk the next road. You know, I grew up down there and say, all these things when them tell about dumpy sour soup. The calabash them tell us say a poison.
One time I never used to eat it.
See the calabash?
No,
Them tell us say a poison that, you know. Yeah, do you?
Toe.
Yeah, man, that's some ginger. They are scrape to make some
Yes.
pine and ginger, you know?
So ginger for turn him in a ninja. You know, so the more him drink the ginger, him turn in a ninja. Turn him in. Yeah.
That's the artist, like. I'm a craft.
Yeah, I'm an artist, not a tomatist. Yeah, I'm a craftist. You know, so. Yeah, so it's hard. So I love him at the heart.
No, on the roadside, man.
Right?
No, them big. We never see calabash.
It's good.
Hopefully if you come here, you might end. So this is thinking toe and sambal. So hopefully if you never get here, you can ask for it and you can try it. It's nice. That's if you might end. But herbal lane is the thing.
Coconut. So no waste.
Yeah, my daughter showed me.
I said forward. Forward. Alright, I'm looking forward. Seeing the forward.
Not my service. Aye. Aye, Bo.
Yes.
Have them here? I'll step no further. Hey. Alright guys, so I'll be heading out now. I had my burger. So I'm having some noonie and fritters to take with me as well too. Dynamite. One dynamite. I have $2,000 here for you from Lucky Star from New York. Lucky Star from New York.
Lucky Star from New York. Blessed and one love. Thanks, yeah? Blessed.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, the colors we outside? Let me give him something too. Guys, you know the thing, so we're here in Trenchtown. You know, we're here in Trenchtown, back in the building. Whoa, you know? Whoa, you know? How much chunks there? Show him for me today. Natural, cool, no? Yeah. What? Endo, colors.
Yo, what's up, bro? I'm going live, you know.
You're going live? Are you live already?
Huh?
You live already?
I know. I'm talking the TikTok live, you know.
TikTok live?
Yeah, Kino. No, man. Tell Kino, you know, I'm going to do a mad thing with you, you know. I just wake up in the late night, Kino, and went in the fridge, bro. Get sick.
Got sick?
Yeah, it's like Kino. Man, I tell her, Miss Joseph mother, Pat, you know she left me out. And she gave me money this morning, I could have get some flu tablet and so, you know.
This morning.
Big up to all my sexy extended family. What's up? One colors in Trenchtown, ain't it?
Yeah, no other.
Yeah, any other colors are fake. Yeah, so Kino just come give me a link.
Yeah.
Yeah, like someone send me. Man, extended family. Remember, I'm telling you all the while, you know, anytime Kino put the video for me, I'm telling you, say, colors, I bless, tell me, I can't bless them more, because I want to love me, you know. Extended family, I know want to love me like that. Kino, I couldn't even go airport last night, go look at money, you know. Because the way I feel, Kino, I couldn't show about.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and watch how far I got good. Money I carry. Extended family, I'm sorry, I can't there no food for kissing no foot bottom. I don't know when colors telling you no joke thing, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, no.
Someone send me something, innit?
Yeah.
God,
someone send me a donation.
Gotcha.
So we have $9,000 here for you.
Jesus
from Heather.
Heather again.
From Connecticut.
Heather. Hey, Heather, I want to kiss your foot bottom, I say, girl. Remember, I tell you. So, Heather, I thank you so much. Yeah. Heather, I know you love colors, you know. I have to ask. I made a full basket never empty, innit?
Yes, innit? So here's $9,000 from Heather.
Yes, Heather. Yeah, I'm count it out, make you say Heather. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Heather, I thank you so much. With enough respect, you know what I'm saying?
Connecticut.
Oh, from Connecticut?
Yeah.
You know me, they find someone live this morning and they hear them okay, you know, colors. We states here in.
Yeah.
I was saying I ain't no states. I'm in the Caribbean. I'm in Jamaica, bro.
That's the way you're twanging.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So Heather, love you so much. Can't stop thank you, cause you're a real girl, you see?
Yeah.
It's come like you just feel my vibes. You know, I tell you, through the room, the flu, the palm, I'm not shoot out when you report, brother.
Yeah.
And you know, Pat, I did it for Pat all the while, so Pat, nah, left me home.
Yes, true.
Yeah, because, you know, when I go tell her I say I'm sick, you know, she give me 5 days this morning, you know. Me not buy a food when I need it. Because, you know, taking the tablets, me have to eat something, innit?
Yeah.
So, me go buy one $300 food. I'm going to buy 2 pack of the tablet, them. So, I just take the last 2 little while, you know, my throat are free up. Yeah. And, you know, me in there like, shh, you want to hear who me link up with from London, guess?
Who?
Queenie.
Oh,
hey, Queenie love me like, wow. So what she was saying, when even Chef, the youth when you're Chef, when it come out the day, Chef I make sure know, say, yo, one color, you know.
No other.
Yeah, right now, Queenie plan for like, when she come to Jamaica, she gonna accept me in some of her videos.
Okay.
I remember my thing load already.
Alright.
So just imagine when me and Queenie start the video.
Trouble.
They can't hold me.
Alright, then call us up. Big up yourself, you know.
Big up Kino, man. Heather, thank you so much again.
Yeah.
Alright. Big up, Kino. Yeah, Rasta Bob. Yeah, so I'm there for my life.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, you know? But I have a donation for you. Indo. Oh, natural. One natural in the building.
This is great.
One natural, yeah.
Sit down.
Yeah, I'm going to call her South African. So I have 4,000 a year for your wow chef. From Lucky Star.
Lucky Star.
Yeah.
Lucky Star.
From your place. From here, I say your place in which part that?
New York.
New York.
Yeah, man.
So see there's $4,000 from Lucky Star from New York.
Lucky Star from New York. Enough love and all for blessing, you know. All for respect, you know. Yeah. I'm not going to go on this Friday, so I go, huh?
Yeah.
You want to use up and get some good things started out, you know. Yeah.
So we have another one as well too from Goldie. From D-Rock Design. That's from North London. So
Goldie?
Yeah, from D-Rock.
North London.
Yeah, from D-Rock Design.
D-Rock Design.
From North London.
D-Rock Design from North London.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm all for blessing, all for love, you know.
$4,000.
See me?
4,000 there for you.
Yeah,
from
man.
D-Rock. D-Rock
Next
Design.
time thing I come up, so I try go and scoop up what I can do, you know. Yes, I say, I'm get my pay yet, still buy up some little thing, yeah. So, but see this, I'm going to push them and look at it, you know.
Yeah.
Man, yesterday I'm on my birthday, so I can just use this and just buy a bottle of rum and look at things and give them look more, you know.
Yes, sir.
So I say, all for blessing from North London, you know. See me? Next month I'm other things still, because I have look at things when I'm leaving. Yeah. Blessing, love my people, all for blessing, you know. Thank you very much for heart, you know.
Yeah.
Blessed love, you know. Enough love, you know.
So give thanks to D-Rock.
Yeah, man, D-Rock, enough blessing, enough love in the D-Rock. Yeah, man, D-Rock,
Lucky Star.
Lucky Star, only for blessing, you know. Enough love, you know. Only for blessing, enough love. I go for the Mama River and I look for the local Cranberry, you know. Yeah. See me? D-Rock. Next month, no. Enough love, you know. Blessed love in the D-Rock.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so we're gonna get Esther. We're gonna push out, go up by Mama River. I've got some donation as well for Cranberry and the family. You know, it goes already, so. Esther mom is not feeling so well, so I'm not sure if Esther will be able to come out. So let's find that out. Esther! Oh, me I come too. She not feel good? Okay. Alright, come give one donation then. She feel weak? A flu shot? Oh. Where you get paracetamol? Cetamol? Come on, there's some. Yeah, come and out of the sun. Alright guys, so we have a donation for Esther. So Esther not gonna roll with us today because Esther mom is not feeling so well. You know. So I guess Esther should think she had the flu, right? Hopefully. Yeah, that pressure drop.
Yeah, my pressure low.
My pressure is very low, so you know, pray everything will be alright. You know, Sister Junior fight us, so she'll be alright. You know, so
117 over 58.
117 over 58? That's low.
And low, the bottom one to the 80 and up. 80 and little up.
Okay. So we have $4,000 a year for you from Lucky Star from New York.
Thank you, Lucky Star, very much. I really appreciate this. From New York, bless up. Thanks again.
Alright, so let's go and take care of them. We are running up on the road and wow chef then.
Yeah, later.
And come back, yeah. Alright, so I'll give thanks to Lucky Star. Thank you. Alright guys, so you know, Esther mom is not feeling so well, so Esther has to stay back and make sure say our mom get that attention, you know, our mom is not feeling so well. So put the thumbs up, you know guys, so put the prayers out, you know, for Esther mom. You know that she get better soon, you know, so she will get better soon. So it's a minor flu, so hopefully it's nothing major, you know. So I think Esther said she's gonna give her a cetamol, and then hopefully she will feel better now after that because her pressure is really low. you know, as they hear Esther explaining. So hopefully she'll be alright, you know. But her mom is a fighter anyway, so she will be alright, you know. That's one thing for sure. She will be alright. So blessed love, guys. So we're going to head up to Mama River now to see Cranberry and family, you know. So see you now. Well, guys. So anything goes already, we just reach here at Mama River. It's a nice sunny day, beautiful place. As you can see, the place is wonderful. No rain today, the place looking nice. You know, so we're here with Jackson here. 30 grand over there, pick a apple. Boom, there's up on the left. And Roll Chef there right there. Alright, so Jackson, I have a donation here for you as well too. From Lucky Star from New York. $4,000 here for you. From Lucky Star from New York.
Lucky Star, of respect, give thanks and praise every time, no? Yeah. Big up yourself every time, no? Yeah.
Lucky Star.
Yeah, Lucky Star.
Yeah, give thanks.
And praise every time.
Alright, so turn off by the wind. So, yeah, so big up to Lucky Star. Thank you so much for blessing Jackson. Yeah. And we have 30 grand here, so I pick the youngest after them. 30 grand. Here's the first donation.
Yeah, man, give thanks and praise, man, you know? Yeah, man, heart of love, man. Anybody who send this come, man, yeah, man, enough respect, man. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and I appreciate it as much, man. I appreciate it as much.
We have $4,000 a year from Lucky Star.
Yeah, man, Lucky Star.
From New York.
See me I say? Yeah, man, give thanks and praise. And make Father make your basket never empty. Heart of love. Yes, I.
Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Lucky Star. Thank you so. Apart lens a bit. Yes, guys, so we give thanks to Lucky Star from New York. We thank you so much, you know, for blessing Roll Chef, Boom, Rasta Jackson, and 30 grand himself, aka Chunks. You know, while we're up here, we're gonna give Cranberry Family some donation. You know, alright, look like woman at the place quiet. No music. Man, so. It's clear this thing.
Active man, river active man.
Come on over there. Cross. So come across them come, watch it. Ken, me put on top encore. Dari aja maafin.
Oh, here when so go on you. I'm not there, I'm looking lean, you know.
Puppet show do it, you know.
Puppet show do it.
Puppet show do it. The puppet show do it.
You see the cat reach and come to. Yeah, man.
Where the cat there?
The cat come to. The man that's there.
The cat there too? Oh, so the cat there. Look here, the cat is here too. Oh, the cat is here. The cat is here.
Cat come on to down.
Hey, you think animal are here? Yeah. Local cat.
They were protecting them.
Guys, so anything goes already, no matter always. Well, our vibes done here so first, you know, before we head up to see Cranberry there. You know. All the dog them have to go here.
I'm a Lord, man.
So it's a blessing. We got 1 and 2 people here today, you know, not much, but at least. You know. So you know, sometimes people gonna come out to well and wanna vibe and things like that and shit, you know. You know, cat each up now move, you know. So go walk, go lick them and come back now. Hold on. 30 grand. 2 circle. Come in, go lick them and come back.
The cat that come to.
Cat left down there.
One thing in life, when you, if you treat animal good, if they are good at all the animal, they will follow you same way. That's what I'm saying, the good in life, good will always follow. That's one thing for sure.
Yeah. Well, you better go and say, you know, just see from you know. Where can I run from? That man here was vice.
The smell, man. Once on the smell,
all right. Yeah. Hello. Anybody live here? Anybody live here?
Who live here?
Who live here?
So I'm not sure you believe. Nah,
I'm gonna go look for my pine and see if it's there, because if it's not there, me and Cranberry are gonna have war. Oh, it's there.
Yeah.
The pine is there.
Yeah, lucky.
What I jackfruit them done.
Lucky, yeah, Cranberry.
Civilized. Nanner. Nanner. What's up, Nanner? Nanner, you been swimming?
You smell nothing. Smell from there, for go up near.
Look like the tree empty, you can't see the tree empty from far.
See it on. When I look one, you see, look like it have color.
Tree empty from far.
The
big one. The big one gone. Yeah. I like a baby one.
Yeah, man. So?
I see him one day. Him need what teeth to pine. I you them to eat it too.
You mean the jackfruit?
Mm.
So you still in my house?
You eat them all?
No, we sell the big one only one. It drop off and ripe. No, I tell you to pick. Till ripe. I can't say never ripe. Till ripe on the dance.
Not at the time, it never arrived.
Two more this, you know.
No, hey, no look on my father.
Two of them that are
Put on your hand. Daddy. Me no want to take it him none, no. What? I don't want to watch it. You wicked to me.
That is trying to touch it.
Feel that? Feel it?
You can't feel it. It's like a tough.
One more
Don't
round.
touch it.
Three of them. Nana said she want to take them.
Nana?
I'm going to take a check the fire something.
Nana?
I'm going to go wild.
Nana, you shall say Nana. Nana, you should say look wild. You shall give it Nana.
You see if Nana don't touch my pine.
Yeah. Yeah, Nana. We should touch the pine, Nana.
We should touch my pine,
Don't we come very touch the pine, Nana. Let her go now, you drop.
Don't drag her, so alright.
Don't drag, let her close now.
Don't my father fine. If you ever. Nana, no, you can't shake
Nana, you take brave, guys, you see that? Guys, you see that?
No, when she broke it now, I grew.
What that, Nana, what that?
Something that she did.
The ear spoil.
See, same thing, bleed. And look around the side and see the money push up. Yeah, then the point come off, and then they start being up. Yeah, find them there, come out. Yeah, man, and they come off them.
Nana?
Yeah.
No, my road, them come around the side and the cheap. 4 can beer.
I big sister.
4 can beer.
Your grandma ear through that.
One on the hero plan, the same thing, you know. Food upon the same point, them man.
Today, me go cook.
What you cook today?
The one there, big one, them come off.
Something there,
mackerel and dumplings. Mackerel and rice.
We can't spoil that.
Mackerel and rice?
Cranberry, you can't spoil that.
Two. Something in there, two mackerel. I just had a mother say me, you want to pour more rice. And she said, if I get the money for buying.
Mackerel and rice. So we can get some?
Yes.
But you're not going to finish in time for me to get any.
So when you are going?
In a night,
you take long for cook.
So when you are going?
But you're going to take long. She take long for cook, Nana?
No.
No?
Alright, now I'm going to check cool and blaze. I don't use and blaze.
Oh, catch a fire?
Yeah, I blaze up fast and make the rice dry down when I wash it.
Quick and fast.
So what your mother say, oh, you make the rice dry down so fast?
Come catch a fire, let me see that. Let me see how you catch a fire. Let me see how you catch a fire there.
And then the use.
Are this you use? This?
Yeah.
About you use Nana? This you use Nana?
This? Stick? Me have some money for you, okay? I got some money for you, okay, Toko?
What's happening with Genius? Then there?
I have no money for Tara. Me and Tara is no friend. Me and Tara, I don't want to see Tara. But Tara there? Tara? I don't want to see Tara. I not look. I'm not looking.
Tara can't swim.
I said, should I cook mackerel and rice?
Yeah.
So she cook mackerel and rice good?
Tomorrow.
So cranberry now want more cold than that.
Still I put a little bit of stick in there.
Are the mackerel and rice then?
Yeah.
So the rice I can share for everybody.
You
want more rice? Who will go buy the rice?
Me.
Send somebody else to go buy the rice.
You go buy.
You go buy it, Nana? How much more rice now go buy?
That's 1 pound.
1 pound? How much for it?
Almost 150.
150.
Yeah. No, not the one that she
Not the one there.
The other one, the other normal rice.
No,
in
buy
the bag.
pack like so.
100 don't do what feet, but 150 up there so.
You know, go and buy the rice then.
Still in packet.
Oh.
Like the tie out bag them.
Tie out bag, yeah, man.
So you're going to put in the fire now, cranberry. So guys, the cranberry is going to cook. Sure. So we'll catch our fire now. I'm put cranberry, a big chef, you know. Cranberry a big chef, you know. Cranberry a big chef. Me and Tara no friend. Me no want to see Tara.
You're my friend?
No.
Yeah?
Me and Aria friend now. Me and
You
Aria
know, say
friend.
cat church rat.
The cat come down there come say hello to him. The cat come say
Hey, what's them
hello.
just say them must see him?
Yeah, the cat down by Boma. You look for the cat? Look by Boma you see him. By Boma.
Cause them be down there just all go to.
I will buy a biscuit.
You buy a biscuit and your dog guitar any.
Hey!
But Cranberry, you know want more fire than that?
May I get more stick?
You get more stick? The stick around there, so? Cranberry, gonna get more stick. You want stick that around there, so you don't want that stick there?
You can't go for it.
Stick that around there, so.
Yeah, me I don't know.
Come, make our chef cut it for you. Use that stick there. Whoa, chef! Chop the stick. Yeah, chop the stick.
I really know chef him name, daddy.
Real wow chef.
You know, say you think I'm my sister that way you see the harbor?
No, it's not your sister.
No, old chef say it.
Oh, you think I'm your sister?
Yeah, hear him. I want a big sister. No, Tabeka. Yeah.
Big chef Cranberry today in the kitchen. That you want to use Cranberry?
I use. I burn back and make cool. I could never know.
Of course you know.
What?
Guys,
Let
Cranberry,
me have a cool like that to the viewers.
Cranberry, I cook mackerel and rice. You know. That's what we eat a lot here in Jamaica, mackerel and rice. I cook that so many times. You know, mackerel and rice is your favorite. Or should I say favorite?
Yeah, man.
You know?
You can't spoil that.
Yeah, you can't spoil that, Cranberry. If you ever spoil that, them time we know you're not a big chef.
Oh, if you taste my food right now, you know, you're one now. I used to cook some sardine and rice. Yeah, Boomer. You know, some of the meat to my niece. Sardine, you're going to give me a rice. Nice, you know, my niece. How you get her sardine?
You say you keep the sardine and rice and like it?
Da. Yeah, remember, I cook something for me, man. Because last time I forgot, I give me a piece of sawfish and I put in the rice, you know. Hide in the fridge right now. Sometimes, thanks. I'm just happy to buy it.
I want to take up those ones.
Yeah, wait to chef.
No, take out them one. I'm going to
feel like I was going to do oh, yeah, no. I'm going to buy somebody lighter and then we got to take up some. I tell you, know. Go, excuse me. I took a girl. I go away from the
Yeah, some. Charges who come down?
Yeah.
A Georgie. Yeah, we're planning.
Someone say, even if say my come just shine one say
Next year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aye.
You know how long to come back and we to buy some
tiles. And the tile say I go for mommy?
Yeah, but you buy some.
Sprinter going there.
Yeah. I'm not going to look a piece of man appearing.
Yeah, thank you, Ari. We not get Tara enough food today.
Go on for them, Ari. That's why I love you, my cousin.
Tara nah eat, so she nah get none. You get it, Nana?
I said last night, but you come back. I don't know.
See, she's not like you, but stay long. She's not crying for you, you would have come back here.
No, to me, Blackie, talk to me.
Yeah, man.
She tell me say you coming and me if you know nothing about you.
Who tells them to come?
Blackie. Her mother tell her, I don't call Blackie.
Oh, you call Blackie. Oh.
I tell her, I say, Kino. I say, yeah, no. Run go down when Kino gone, you come check my back and me want to talk to you. 3 o'clock come. I say, Blackie up there, she and her son.
So I say you pack the fire?
Yes. I'm not put no more in there till it burn out.
Oh, Nana.
Nana, you're my teacher. See if I'm in a day, I didn't put in food.
Oh. Bunky, so much tipping now, give me.
My grandmother, she normally cook here.
Oh, Cranberry.
One.
Nana, a big chef too. Nana, fried dumpling.
I mean, I'm the people dumpling.
I should back in the bomb the floor and fixing right now and fry some dumplings. The old chef them feet right now.
So I put these trash them.
Pan it.
Yeah, underneath it.
And that make it blaze up now, you know. You see? Put that piece right so. See that it a blaze it.
Are you doing your favorite now?
Done.
Put them, hey, put some down there.
Just rest them on the ground.
No, man.
That done.
See them, I can't take it. Anything, what, Bono? Go for some plastic.
Pick up the sugar.
Go for some plastic down there, so.
Oh, chef, yeah, blaze fire, man.
Give me lighter.
See, man, even I remember about the light.
Yeah, man, catch the fire, man, can I see that ketchup there?
Go for some bag then and I say if it out, I have the bag.
No, boss, you don't want no more that ketchup, man.
Yeah, you don't want no more.
God, easy, my friend, I move so.
She jealous with her, because I say, are you my favorite?
Yeah, man, are you favorite? You say, favorite daughter. You are.
So like with the fire catch now, we're going to wash the rice and thing.
I can't take no watch out. Feel all pot, tough, I can't.
No, man, talk. I'm going to let that man, big girl now, man.
They're going to wash the rice, yeah?
You gotta wash the rice? Get the camera? Why? So we wash the rice. That's what she said. Get the camera for we wash the rice?
No, I want to scrape out this.
You want me to scrape out that? Where's the spoon there? Use the spoon. You never soak it.
You see what part me drink the salt.
Are you boil it? It's easier.
You know, the fire blaze fast and everything. And then something I'm going to put in there.
Yeah.
Nana, go for water. Run up front.
I will say that Toko.
She said
Toko
one.
now get no food.
And the most she said.
Anyone who don't help now get no food.
Give me something.
And Toko now get no donation because she not help.
My plan is to put them in, watch it. But just go buy my plan. I'll eat it. I better start talking them.
Somebody just eat it a while ago.
Toko and Tyra.
And I 100 Natalie said, why play the fire, mommy? 100.
Tyra, you can eat it.
Hurry up, Nana. I burn this, I burn out. You know, Kino. Yeah, so it's a blaze sauce, I burn it, I burn it.
Don't put no more in it then. Don't put any more. Yeah, when she come.
Rice.
But you know, say this is too close to the board. You know that. Might pull it towards you. You should have a piece of metal.
How that my father do? No, man,
where's the zinc? You don't have zinc?
No.
And a piece of metal. No piece of zinc. I went put in put supposed to put something.
I already put that board there at the back of the board. I get a task.
Oh, one piece of zinc.
Yeah, I get that zinc there about too. What's your fire?
You go for the zinc?
Nah.
One piece of zinc. Yeah, health and safety reason first. Yeah, bring that zinc there. Piece of zinc.
Welcome. That's good.
This is board. I know fire is not friendly. You know, fire is not friendly, so you have to make sure say put something there so for the future them have to always put a zinc literally right there when them catch a fire. It's not safe at all. Yeah. Guys, well, this is how them survive, you know. Cranberry like she learn to do this stuff from a tender age. You know, as you can see, them start very young, you know, so she can cook. She always a cook or boil porridge or fried dumpling or something. She's the one that always been cooking and them stuff here, so you know, I want to cook also she always had help out, you know. Trust me.
Yeah, I mean that's that ball now. Yeah, look at it, I'm done. When Bunga done cooking now. That nearly burned the cat in the kino.
Look over the pot, man, make things happen.
Who is like you? You always crank man, you know. Yeah, understand father, yeah.
You put salt in the rice, right?
No, I never put salt. Hey! Me not have so much salt.
Wait, that this no catch good enough.
Hey!
Yes? That is a little tip. You know that is a little tip, though?
This alright.
This, no one more fire than this. The fire dead already. Put some more wood in it. Put some more wood in it.
That no, it's still freshman clean now. Oh God. Then happy second go.
Get some more, put some more in there.
Move that, Nana. Move and cover that part. Move.
Put some more. Get the thick ones.
Watch out, Kino. You're going to hear Sammy bone your off your hand.
So you will do it.
I'm stopping off now. I'm not going to bone out your hand. Gina come say, me daughter bone me.
Look up some of the fine one now, put on top of it.
Like this. Inna the daddy, yeah. Christmas a come.
You have a more thick one there. Alright, make this alright for now.
I throw too much in there. This one fix. Yes, me arrow. So I'm fine, man. I'm not going to phone. Daddy, no, not yet. Be a dumpling. No. Why do you meet dumpling? That's why daddy, you're going to eat more dumpling again, or it works dumpling.
Catch you, try catch man. Cranberry in the kitchen, cooking mackerel, make it work. Cranberry in the kitchen. Alright, so like with the pot set on now. Now some donation I go in while on the pot I go and cook. Cranberry pot. Cranberry pot. Come.
No, Kino, come on, my steam. Come down here, so yeah, just
smoke out.
Wee.
Wee.
Come. Yeah, go and watch my father for
Come go up here, so you're right in so. Run left the smoke.
like I hope I see all
Yeah. We're going higher than the rock.
That jam now. You're weak.
Yeah, watch him on nail board over this.
No, man. I feel ready to come out here for you already now. I'm can't eat after. Look for them and nobody see them.
House a burn down. Cranberry a burn down the house. Cranberry a burn down the house.
Tikata.
Yeah. Smoke. So we say charging now come back for now then, right?
See starfish you talk I eat I want put them when Kina come every time when the something they reach you know mommy?
Yeah.
Every time when Kina reach I charge that.
Yeah. Him probably come and down and boom at them, you never know. Tara, stay right here. Come Tara, stay. Alright guys, so we have some donation for the family. You know, so let me say the blessings always continue. You know, blessings every time. Cranberry, the old soul. I have to find my new daughter. Because she's old now. I trick you. I have a new daughter. You know, my daughter see you know, and I say, Daddy, when you get daughter? You know?
Yeah, I see her.
No, you don't see her.
Oh, I see her.
Yeah, she's in England.
Yeah, say. You know, when you bring me a phone.
When I bring her a phone, you know, when the time is right.
When my boss is gone.
When my boss is gone. Yeah, that guy when she boss.
Phone and say, yeah, Kino, my officer, you bring me a phone and come back, Richard. Me and my father, Richard, come back. And I say, yeah, my sister, my daughter, Richard, come back. Come get my daughter, come and go on back a phone.
Yeah.
Go on to school, come in, then school over, take a book in my yard.
Make focus on the book work and everything. You focus on your book.
I pour my water and just going back and just focus on my book and write.
Yes guys, you know my next daughter is Cranberry and said, Daddy, I never know you have a daughter down there. And I say, yeah man. She say, a problem now in the camp. So right now it's Diamante, your next sister here. She named Diamante.
Diamond. I Diamond. Me is a sister. When I go home, she must do home my laugh.
No, she don't. She that foreign.
No, me I say when they send it, them not go see it on the TV when them up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my father have no daughter again, one more. I shall say 1, 2, Toko, come now. More stuff she got.
1, 2.
Watch him, he feel like I can't see head.
Who?
Now some there the one in the hat.
Oh, Rasta Jackson.
No. The one who have on your hat like this. I take more take that out your friend that you know much hat. Me see a real come up here. Rock hat. But I know I say, he know yard pretty. It's right, he know.
I know me yard that.
No, there's somewhere right, there's something with a kitchen.
My kitchen that.
For over kitchen.
That's where we cook food for the elders them and everyone. That's where they cook food and eat.
So you can cook some food down there too.
Alright, so let me see now. First. Wait there. Tara licking. I wish I licking her face. Tara go on with a bad woman. Alright then, so we have some donation here. So first we have a donation from Nicole. For your belated birthday. From Nicole. Yeah, from Florida.
From Florida.
Yeah,
Nicole,
so this is
from Florida. Thank
Florida.
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 Yeah.
Thank you so much.
A mother and that man. So this is 7,500 here, mommy, from Nicole from Florida.
Thank you,
Nicole from Florida. Thank you so much. And never make your food basket run empty. And may God bless you.
Yeah. So that's 7,500.
Thank you so much and may God bless you. You are a wonderful day.
So we give thanks, so guys. So thank you also, Nicole from Florida. Thank you for blessing the family. You know, we thank you so much. You know, also we have other donation here from let me tell you.
Mommy.
Let me see who's this now.
Let me go back to
The Madans them.
The
Madans. No. We have Heather from Connecticut. Right? So we have Toko.
Toko, run, come back.
Toko gonna eat out the saltfish. You don't realize what I go on.
But you want water?
Toko eat out the saltfish, guys. Alright then, so here, let me tell you who name this now. We have
Cranberry.
No. We have Tara. No, Toko. Oh.
Toko.
Alright, we'll move Toko one and do a different name. So which name is the next name now?
Cranberry. Hey, Ari.
Tara. I give Tara money.
Go and beat the cat.
If you're not talking, I'll get the money. Hey. What you say?
So we have $1,500 here for Tara from Heather. So this is your money. So thank you, Heather. Looking at the camera.
Looking at the camera, say.
Shout it loud.
Look at the camera.
Thanks.
I make you what? Oh, you have big mouth.
Thank you, Heather, so much. I never make your food basket.
Never empty.
Alright, we'll see. Let me see who from them we have next. We have oh, where's Liquor Man?
Oh, them can come.
Him can come. If I call him, he can come.
Oh, them get grounded?
No, them just say them can. If I call them coulda come.
Okay.
But we just make them.
You tell them already.
Okay, so we'll have to go give them when we finish them.
Me and you.
Who is this on Look at Me? So your my name's Sister. So the next person we have now is Nana. So you have 1,500 here for your Nana. Here, Nana. From Heather.
I make a full basket never empty.
Okay. 1,500. I'm gonna say the next person we have right here is Toko.
Ha!
Toko. Take up that for me, please. So Toko, we have 1,500 here for you. You know, 1,500 here for you from Eder.
Thank you, Eder. Now make your food basket never empty.
Alright, so give thanks to
This
Eder.
look like a Kina number.
I'm gonna say who else we have here? We have let me see, they commit. Oh, okay, Cranberry. Come, Cranberry. Come,
like I'm here
Cranberry.
alone. Every time I'm here
So we
alone.
have $3,000 here for you from Heather as well too.
Thank you, Eder.
From Connecticut.
From Connecticut. Thank you so much, and God will bless you.
Alright. So give me that envelope in your hand, miss. So this envelope, we'll get this from one of our subscribers, you know. Her name is Miss Davis from Florida, which is 20,000 she said inside it. So this is to help out.
Miss Davis, thank you so much, and may God bless you and continue to bless you and make your food basket never run empty. Thank you so much.
Okay. And okay, so charging a day here, right? Take up that comment, please. So charge, so guys, so we have another donation here. Hold on. So we have a donation here, you know, for Chargy. I say his name, right? Georgie. Me I was at Chargy from Marva Beauty, you know, from Marva Beauty in New Jersey, and this is for him to go to the eye doctor. To go and see the doctor because she wouldn't say have to wait for the appointment or something like so. So she more she consider it knowing that to go into public is going to be a long list. So at least he can go see a private doctor where he can get him eye more check more quicker. So she sent 15,000 here for him. You know, so he's not here now, so I'm going to hand it to his missus, which is she's going to give it to him when he arrives. So this is 15,000 here from Marva Beauty for Georgie.
Marva Beauty, thank you so much, and never make your food basket go empty. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so that's Marva Beauty from Florida. I will give thanks. So that's all the donation that we got for the family. You know, so we have Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. We're gonna go up there and give them this also as well too. So we want to tell them thanks. Stand up, Cranberry. Stand up and wave and tell them thanks. Go up on the stairs. Say thank you.
Thank you so much, and may God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Never empty.
Alright then, so guys, so we're doing for Liquor Man and Liquor Miss, which is going to head up them side and give them, right?
Yeah, go with her. Wanna buy? May I make Ari and go buy?
Alright, so your mommy are going to cook for you, Cranberry.
Remember to buy one butter for me. To put another rice. Go on. Yeah, that you can buy it.
Okay. Come give me a sign. Come here, son. Alright guys, so the mother says she have a song for us. She's gonna give us a song, so stay tuned for that big song right now. You know.
Yeah, normally say give thanks to all of the subscribers and Dream Team, one team, give thanks and praise for everything. I'm gonna tell you, the host is there far and to where the day until now, I can say give thanks to Kino himself. He would say at the people them, but would I say if it wasn't for him, you know. So me I say, never you stop trying, never you stop trying. I know it might be late, I know it might be hard, but don't you never give up, don't you never give in, don't you throw in the towel, cause God is still watching. Jeez. Don't you give in,
'cause God is still watching. God is still watching.
Jeez, yeah, you don't say yeah, you know, yeah, say yeah, nah. Big song, yeah man, talented movie man, boy. I hope on top producer watch you and say, Kino, bring her to my studio.
Alright, hot pepper.
Hot pepper. Yeah man, and say, Kino, bring her to my studio. I could record that song and send her a road. Don't it? Alright guys, so we'll get Liquor Man and Liquor Miss this. And then anything. So the mommy I go and cook. Come Miss Cranberry. Behave now. Or not behave?
Go on.
Go on. Look where you go to. You're not looking where you're going. Wow, look at this view, guys. Look at this view. Following the kids them up the hill to go see Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. And this is a view from up here. This is a view. Wow. Whee! You in there? Oh, I'm in there, sir. Up there, sir? That's so much hill enough for climb. God damn. So many hills. Oh, yes, I should live. Hello. Way up the hill again?
No.
Alright. Oh, you have horses around here, sir? Okay. Never know you have horses around here. Hello. Oh, the middle here.
No.
Oh. How are them gone? Are you the parents?
Yeah, I'm your mother.
Are you mother this? Oh, finally meet your mommy. Oh, you're up on camera, so now watch your face, you know. This is Liquor Man and Liquor Miss mother. Okay. You look young, man.
Not so young.
You look fresh and young. Alright, you are up here, the nature life.
Could that be?
Could that be? So,
Them gone at church farm and practice.
okay. Alright, so when them come back then next time, come in at 1,500 for them each, you know. So we just keep it for them come up here and tell them come look for them.
Alright.
Yes, so that's Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. So wait, that's the only twin in your family?
No, my mother have twins.
So your mother have twins, so you're twin in your family?
Girl, yeah.
Okay, so that's why you get the twin. So you're done?
Yeah, man.
No, that's the pair you want. That's congratulations, you know?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright then, yeah? Not even know say house there here, so.
Yes, man.
Oh, hope more. Boy, it's a lot of work still. You're supposed to fit. Oh. All this as well, the house carry on. Okay. Alright then, yeah? Yeah, man. So tell them to come look for them.
Yeah, alright.
Alright. There's creases and corner, guys. You know? That's up the hill there. Wow.
Wait. Them gone to church.
Them gone to church. Look who just arrived. The twin them, you know, feel the energy. They arrived. Look at this.
Mama, do you? Okay,
So, show off though.
So no matter there.
Oh. Alright, look miss. Come right in time. We have $1,500 here for you. From Heather. Come look man. From $1,500 for you from Heather from Connecticut.
From?
Connecticut. Just say alright, just say from America then. Heather.
Thank you, Eder, for the 1,500 from America.
Yeah, see if look man can remember where she's from. She's from Connecticut. She know I never look just now. But glad mommy see, you know. I'm glad mommy see, so mommy know. You know, looking at camera when I say thanks.
I see thing to me, you know.
Alright, so this is $1,500 for you. From Heather, from Connecticut.
Thank you, Eder, from Connecticut.
Connecticut.
And may God bless you.
Alright. So look man, look nice. So you see the mommy and watch you, so you have to stand up and look on the camera. Yeah. Mommy are doing a good job as well too, you know, because him sharp, you know. Very sharp. Come to test him one time, I give him one book and one word. Yeah man. And him sharp, I mean I say yes. That is the way, you know. That is the way. Sometimes we drive, we show them words and everything. And this man know every word we show him.
And then Natalie, Jaisha said she want to go back to the place and bring me.
Which part?
Oh, what there, yeah?
Oh, Trenchtown.
Trenchtown.
Yeah, go do it here.
Yeah. Because I make sure do what I hear, but she never hear nobody to do. So I make sure get Keener as well. You know, because them have friends as well to down there now, you know. So them go down them free, run up and down, all them boys want to go. Pure football they want to go play, you know.
And that team play at school too.
Yeah.
Hush bread them,
because you know down at church you have a whole heap of kids, you know.
Look at hush bread is come on.
If you watch a video with the birthday party, you see the amount of kids, so them just run up and down go all of them. You know. So sometimes it's good to take them out, you know, for them to meet other people and things, exposure. Yeah man. Alright then, so look come on, big up yourself. High five, burn down. Mommy, continue good work here. Look miss. Bye bye. Down the road. Cranberry, remember your pot. The rice, a bun up. It a bun up.
She said she take it off and eat it.
Oh, she take it off. Bun up, it a bun up.
I dog to see man. Look right there, so it's swell. Watch out. Watch out. I have to go up a black and come back. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. No water.
Look ready. Cranberry rice. Oh. Bring something for all the pot so they can fix the. Come fix the pot. Bring something for all the pot. Garlic and cranberry rice, well shelly, cook and ready. Go play the big chef Cranberry. Come in, Cranberry. No, that this too thin, you want? You now plate cloth.
No. When I miss the water to come, that's look. Look where me are. Come.
Okay, I'm not a plate cloth. Them things I will catch easy, you know.
Oh, you know that?
These things will catch easy.
You have to take that from sister. I'm going to fry it with my
oh man, this will catch. What? All this.
Get that from Tino, top of trusting. That's good.
We have to take it out?
Yeah. Mommy, pass that much. I'm going to take money. I bet she do. See,
put it over here, so put it here. Cover your pot, man. Yes, like that.
Pot cover drop off. I'm going to go up the road. Then I'll clean up. I'll come back up on the block and see this. One friend pot. No, I should be sick, boy. Mommy?
Well guys, you know the thing goes already, so Cranberry in the kitchen, cooking, you know it goes already, so it's a blessing. So we give thanks for the support, you know, give thanks for the donation, you know, for the family. You know the thing goes already, so I'm gonna run now, leave them, you know, run go home. They go put things over. I'm gonna head back on the road and do some other stuff, guys. So we give thanks, I will thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know it goes already, so blessed love to all. Dream team, one team. You know it's the only real team. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Be out. Them wash. Oh, shit, there. Can't fuck the mind, see me. Yeah.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.